Let's play Happy Birthday, starting with At Full Speed Hands Together. Right hand. Thumb starts on middle D above middle C. Left hand chords. So we start with G major in the bass clef. G major has notes G, B and D, and to play these chords we'll use finger 5, 3 and 1, and we'll play them all in root position for now. So we have G major for 1 measure or 3 counts or beats. 2, 3, D major, which has notes D, F sharp and A. And we play this once and hold for 2 measures or 6 counts in total. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Back down to G major for 2 more measures. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C major for 1 measure. Then back down to the G major chord for just 2 beats. 1, 2, and then on the third of this measure we have D major, and then finishing back on G. And putting hands together once more, this time a little slower. So that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I've left the PDFs with the notes, the chords, and a second PDF with the sheet music to download, and you'll find that in the video description. Thanks so much.